Hail detected.
One.
Hail detected.
One.
Hail detected.
One.
Hail detected.
One. Hi everybody, Andy Gregorio here with a quick weather update.
Hail detected.
One. Hi everybody, Andy Gregorio here with a quick weather update.
Hail detected.
Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Andy Gregorio here with a live little weather stream on the ongoing rain and thunder and perhaps some severe weather around the area. As we take a look at our northeast map, we do have severe thunderstorm watches up for parts of northwest Ohio and a good portion of the northeast corridor from about Baltimore right up through Philadelphia through New York City, Albany, all of New Hampshire and Vermont, and also for parts of western Maine. This severe thunderstorm watch is in effect until 7 p.m., and it's pretty much along and to the east of the Hudson Valley, with the exception of Schoharie County being included in it, as well as Greene and Ulster County. And as you get down into northern New Jersey, all of the state of New Jersey is under a severe thunderstorm watch through 7 o'clock this evening. We are going to be looking at the threat for severe weather across the parts of the area through the valid time of the watch. As you can see on the regional radar, the thunderstorms are basically moving from southwest to northeast, with the individual cells and the lines moving towards the east. And the result is that we will be looking at some heavy rain, and we could also be looking at perhaps some strong, gusty winds. Right now, not many in the way of local severe storm reports being received or have been received. We had one from Columbia County, and that was from some trees and wires down in Columbia County and Volusia. We also had a lightning strike causing a fire to a structure in Schenectady. We also have some flash flooding going on in Clifton Park. Water flowed into business on Barney Road. That's again in Saratoga County, Clifton Park. 1 mile east northeast of Flagler Corners, intersection of Route 9 and Crossing Boulevard closed due to flooding. And farther up to the north in Rutland County, some report of trees down in Brandon, from some thunderstorm wind damage. Really, right now, no real valid warnings in effect across the area. Let's just double check on that, and we will take a look. We'll take a look at the severe weather warnings. Here we go, turning them on now. And most of the severe thunderstorm warnings are up for Columbia County, on into Berkshire County, central and northern Berkshire County, and the northern portion of, looks like Dutchess County, southern Dutchess County, into northwestern portions of Connecticut, Litchfield County. The severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dutchess and Litchfield County is in effect until 5:45 p.m. for northern Litchfield County, northern Dutchess County, southeastern parts of Columbia County, and the southern half of Berkshire County. That severe thunderstorm warning is in effect until 5:15 p.m. And for the northern portions of, it looks like, Columbia County into central Berkshire County, we have a severe thunderstorm warning up until 5 p.m. Let's take a look at some of the severe weather attributes on these storms, and we'll take a look at our processor here and see what the radar is indicating. If I can move this over, and we are looking at some of these cells, as I said, moving off towards the east, while the general lines are moving off towards the northeast. Some of these cells are causing some heavy rainfall and gusty winds. Here we go. We have a cell in southeastern Columbia County, or make that in central Columbia County, moving up towards Pittsfield. Should be there around 6:11 p.m., 6:10 p.m. in Pittsfield area. We also have a cell just about on the border, looks like probably near Austerlitz, moving on towards the northeast, passing up to the southeast of North Adams by around 6:33 p.m. Some of these cells may have some small hail with them, but the primary threat's going to be heavy rainfall And those cells moving through Columbia County into Berkshire County may have winds gusting up to between 50 and 55 miles per hour, marginally severe winds. So do keep that in mind. And again, the real heavy rainfall falling across the area is going to be the big problem as well. There could be some localized flash flooding. Yeah, it's been pretty dry across the area, but heavy rainfall, a lot of rainfall in a very, very short time period can actually cause some localized flash flooding. Even though it has been so dry, the ground is so dry, it's almost like turned to concrete, so the water will actually quickly run off, and that could result in some localized flash flooding across some parts of the area, especially low-lying and poor drainage areas. All right, we're going to zoom on out. Basically, the thunderstorms are the result of a cold front back to our west, some strong jet stream winds aloft moving in, and a little bit of a trough here. The eastern parts of the U.S. from east central New York State across let's say the western Catskills, eastern southern tier, right on down to Washington and into northern Virginia. And that's acting as a little bit of a focal point. But right now, again, really the severe weather threat, or the severe storm reports rather, have not been really a lot to speak of across the region, and that's good news. We are getting some beneficial rains. Look for the rainfall to probably taper off with the thunderstorms too by about 6 to 9 p.m. Across the area. And then later tonight, as this cold front moves in towards morning, we could see another round of showers and storms with downpours, maybe some gusty winds. But the severe weather threat for later tonight on Day with the front move should be much less than it was today. At least that's the way it looks right now. Of course, we'll keep an eye on things. I'll keep an eye on things for you and let you know. So that's it for the weather update for now. Hope you enjoyed it. And stay safe out there, especially if you're in the path of these storms. Again, we do have some warnings up for Columbia, Putnam. I'm sorry, for Columbia, for Berkshire County, for Litchfield County, and for Dutchess County, basically from now up through about 5:45 to 6 o'clock this evening. Main threat will be some very heavy rains, dangerous cloud to ground lightning, and also some possible strong thunderstorm winds.